when you working with D.I.Y with the yeah. What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. This your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the wrist. Man, so I'm sitting at the house, man, and I'm thinking, man, I'm gonna do another video. So tonight, man, yeah, it's nighttime. So what we gonna do? Man, my partner, guy named Lewis, man, he been on my head, man. He said you need to upgrade your trunnions on your rockers, man. If you're gonna have the type of power that you got, you're gonna need to do an upgrade. So today, man, that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to do a quick trunnion upgrade, man. It's gonna be a quick video, and I'm gonna show y'all how Mr. D.I.Y do it. Alright, man, y'all like, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell so y'all get all my videos. Alright, here we go. Y'all come on with me. Alright, gang, so this is what your boy got, man. I got Performance Q2 by PRW. Got that for Summit Racing, man. Let me show y'all these trunnions, man. They're a little different from your normal trunnion. These are the brass trunnion. They don't have, if you look at that, these do not have your needle bearings in them. So I wanted something a little different. Those of y'all know, you don't want that in your motor. You don't want that in your motor. So got my old set here, man. I already replaced some of them, but I'm gonna show y'all how your boy replace these trunnions, man. Putting these new ones in. Alright. So what I use, only thing I use, show y'all the tool that I use. Alright, this tool, you can get this tool from pretty much anywhere online. Cams make theirs, they all basically the same thing. I got that tool there, you're gonna need that. And you're gonna need either a table vise or press, or like your boy, a C-clamp. Yes, sir, a C-clamp. Cause your boy don't feel like going to buy no vise for a couple trunnions. This worked just good. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how your boy G replace his trunnion. Alright, y'all come on with me, man. Alright, gang. So I'm gonna start from the top. Alright, so I got an old one. Take that out there. So what I've been doing, I've been cleaning them real good, spray them down with some degreaser. Don't really take much. Alright, I'm gonna let that soak a little bit and I just clean them off. Get them cleaned off real good. That way you can work with it. You ain't gotta get grease all on your hands. Or if you just like grease on your hands and you know, whatever you like. Alright, so now that we can see the rocker pretty well, on the rocker there's different sides. Alright, so you got a flat side here, and then on this side it just rounded. Alright, so this tool I got is a neat little tool. It's got a magnet, so you can put it in your vise and it'll stick and it'll hold it on your trunnion up. Alright, so the flat side here will go up in here. You see it's got the little grooves already set up, and it just sits down there just like that, right? And then you have this tool that come with it. This tool here pretty much goes on like that, and then you press it. You press that in with your press, your vise, or whatever you use, or your C-clamp, like me. And you press that out, and be careful, cause this thing, you don't want to be like me. Wow. Alright, gang, so don't do like I did. Don't do like I did. But what we're gonna do? Oh my God! Don't do that either. So with the C-clip, it's a little bit more harder with the C-clip than it would be if you had like a table press. But we gonna do it, man. We gonna do it. All right. So you get that thing lined up. So you get it lined up like that. All right. We're gonna try to do this without making it fall. All right. So basically, try it in. There it is. All right, gang. So take that out. Of course, you're gonna have a bunch of needle bearings that's in here. Alright. So that right there is what can get in your engine if they go bad. So clean this up and then I'm gonna show y'all how to put the new one in. Alright, gang. Now that we got that out, what we do, make sure you clean the inside like a rocker real good. Alright. So now got our new trunnion here. Alright. So the first thing we do, we're gonna put a little lube on there. This make it a little easier for it to go inside. Alright. Set it on there like that. Then you take this tool, stick it in there like that. Then you use your C-clamp again. These go in pretty good, pretty easy. Get that lined up straight. Alright, and then just turn it, it just goes on in. Get it flush. Alright, that's good. Right off that side, as you see, is in there. Alright, so next thing you do, put a little bit on the inside of your trunnion. And you get the inside like that. Alright. So now comes the fun part. Getting that in there. Alright. So I'm gonna get this set up. I'm gonna get this C-clamp set up. And we'll be back with you. Alright, gang. So I got my C-clip again. What you gonna do? This little kit I got comes with washers. So you just lid on that side, get that washer. That washer is made to go right over that like that. Alright. So you wanna put that washer on there. And then you can either use this or you can use the washer. But I like to use this first. And I get it on there straight. Get it on there flush. Right? Then you squeeze and bring it in. Alright? See it's going in. Right? Now come off of it. Alright? Now come off of it. As y'all see, it's not all the way in there. So from there, I use the other washer. Because the other washer sit in there. And then sit in that flush. tighten it up. Get it tight. Get that in there flush. And then we'll squeeze it. And as you see, those washers, it's gonna have it where it's just in the right place. Alright. So now you have a train that's on there. Alright, so the last and final step is to put your C-clips on. So like your C-clip, get you a good pair of C-clip pliers, stick it in. So now just pull that open. Alright, make sure that it's in there right. See that's in there. Flip it on this side. Get you another one. Open it up. There you go. Alright. Like that. Make sure it's in there. Just like that, you have a Trunnion upgrade, gang. Get your new bolt. Put your new bolt in there. And you done. Well, there you have it, gang. It's Trunnion upgrade for your C10, LS swap, your LS, whatever LS you got. That's some cheap. That wasn't that cheap, but it's cheaper than letting a whole bunch of needle bearings get in your motor. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all checking in with your boy, man, Greg with D.I.Y. Once again, man, y'all like, subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell so y'all get all my videos. And like I always say, man, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthened me. Alright, man, appreciate y'all. Yeah.